Hello everyone, my name is Ajay Poddar. I'm part of Informatica GCS team. As a part of today's presentation, we are going to see how to configure Spark specific properties for Parquet Profile in CDI eProduct. As a part of today's presentation, we'll be covering on this agenda how to configure Spark specific properties for Parquet Profile followed by the demo. When a profile is executed on a Parquet file, it operates in advanced mode where driver and executor pods are spawned to run the CDI advanced profile on Kubernetes cluster. Spark related properties for execution can be updated like Spark driver and executor memory and custom Spark properties. Now let's see how we can configure the Spark properties for Parquet profile or profile running on the advanced cluster. So basically there are two ways to configure these Spark properties. One by the custom.properties file, which will be located on secure agent home /apps /@scale server latest version /spark directory. So while updating any properties in this custom.properties file, make sure advanced cluster is stopped before making any changes. Another way of upgrading this custom property is from the advanced cluster configuration, where you will have the runtime configuration and you can update the properties with the prefix infra.cco.job.custom properties which you want to update. Now let's see on demo how we can perform this same. Log into secure agent machine and go to the directory cd agent home. For me agent home is root infra agent apps @scale server, and here you need to select the latest version. So for me it is 46.0.3.1. Open this directory, open Spark directory, and here you will see the custom.properties file. So in this file you can update the custom properties. So I have already updated one property, that is spark.executor.memory equal to 5. So similarly, if you want to update more property, then you can add those property in the new line. Save the changes on the files once you have updated the property. Now when you run the profile in advanced mode, then the property which is updated in this file will be honored and can be observed from the driver log. So another way of updating Spark custom property is by the advanced cluster configuration. Log into IDMC, select the advanced cluster and select the advanced cluster which you have configured. Scroll down and select the runtime configuration. So in this runtime configuration, you can click on add button and give a prefix like infra cco dot job dot. Now here you can add your custom properties. And here you can add the value for the custom properties. So I have already updated one property. So this is the property spark.executor.memory which I have set to 5 GB. So before updating any custom property, you need to give a prefix with the name infra.cco.job. So this is only when you are updating the custom properties from the advanced cluster configuration. Save the changes. So now when you configure Spark custom properties in any one way, either by custom.properties file or by the advanced cluster configuration, when you run the mapping, this property will be honored in advanced profiling. So you can view this property from the driver log. So for that, download the session log for the profile, open session execution log. In the session execution log, find the driver log location. So you can search with the keyword driver log, and here you will see the driver log will be available in this location. So this location will differ based on what location you have configured on the advanced cluster configuration. So it may be S3, ADLS or the local system. So mine is local system. Let me copy this path and open this log from the secure agent machine. So this is my driver log. Let me search with the property which I have set. So here you can see the property got honored, that is spark.executor.memory which I have set to 5 GB. So similarly, you will be able to update the any custom Spark properties for the advanced jobs. For more information on configuring custom Spark properties for profile job in advanced mode, please refer this KV article. We'd love to hear from you. You can send us a mail to supportvideos@infomedica.com or tweet us at twitter.com/infasupport. Thank you.